Let's break down the expression كترة الطباخين بتنزع الطبخة, which we use in Lebanon, and it translates as too many cooks spoil the broth. It sounds like a tongue twister, so let's say it slowly. كترة الطباخين بتنزع الطبخة. The word كترة on its own means allotness. It makes no sense in English, but in Arabic it does. It means allotness, كترة. But notice in this expression, I didn't say كترة, I pronounced it as كترت. Kitrit means the allotness of. So when I pronounce the t in the end, the te marbuta, I give the word the meaning of something. Kitrit, the allotness of. In English it translates as too many of something. Kitrit. And then we have the word الطباخين. So طباخ is a cook. طباخين is the plural of cook. الطباخين means the cooks, but again I'm not pronouncing the l. I'm not saying الطباخين, I'm saying الطباخين. Avoid pronouncing the lam because the word طباخ starts with the letter ta, which is a sun letter, and every time you have a sun letter and you put an l before it, you can avoid pronouncing the lam, and instead of الطباخين you say الطباخين. Even more, with the liaison we will say, instead of kitrit and then pausing and then saying الطباخين, we will do a liaison and say kitrit الطباخين. So think of the word tit. كترة الطباخين. كترة الطباخين. Sounds like a tongue twister, as I said. كترة الطباخين, literally the allotness of the cooks. بتنزع, which means she spoils. We're using a feminine word, بتنزع, because the word كترة is feminine, so we need a feminine verb. بتنزع, there is a عين. بتنزع. بتنزع what? It spoils what? الطبخة, the dish or the meal or the platter. طبخة. So طباخ is a cook. طبخة is a dish or a platter. Again, طبخة starts with a sun letter. So instead of saying الطبخة, we will pronounce it الطبخة. Even more, with a liaison, instead of saying بتنزع and then saying الطبخة, you can say بتنزع الطبخة. بتنزع الطبخة. بتنزع الطبخة. So كترة الطباخين بتنزع الطبخة. If you can say it, let me know in the comment box. And it means too many cooks spoil the broth, which translates as whenever you give a task or an activity to too many skilled people, they end up not doing it well because each one of them maybe wants to give their opinion, so they end up maybe, arguing over things and not doing their job. كترة الطباخين بتنزع الطبخة.